Hi, everybody. It's Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, once again broadcasting live. Probably not live because this is a taped interview, but from Erie, Pennsylvania, the jewel of the Rust Belt. And lots of things going on to chat about. This is not going to be a short 30-second training video. There's more of those coming. But big week, couple weeks here, as you can imagine. I do want to make sure I mention this. This past Thursday, October 3rd, was 19 years for me at the place I work at, industrial sales and manufacturing. Now, before you accuse me of being a suck-up, I don't have to suck up. I have a good relationship with that company. I get paid well, and I like working there. It goes back and forth, right? They value me, I value them. But a shout out to the Rakowski family. They've been in business for over 50 years. Through ups and downs of this economy, we do so many different things there, between machining, CNC machining, assembly, powder coating, welding, robotic welding. It's 4 different facilities that we run all this through, and they're very civic minded. They give a lot back to the community. So I would tell you, I'm blessed and I'm very lucky to have a job there, and I appreciate that. No layoffs since I've been there, 19 years for me. And I would tell the Rakowski family, they would agree with this. Out of their past half century in business, my 19 years, they have probably been their best. That's for you, Charlie. But thank you from the bottom of my heart. So moving on, the CNN interview. Lots of feedback down here. Most of it good. Some people, for some reason, think they can come onto my channel and start to give me a hard time, like you're going to change my mind. I never post anything that's wrong. Am I saying I'm never wrong? Kind of, because I don't post things here that are wrong. All right. Now, occasionally I will post something and I'll say, I can't confirm this, but this is how I would do it. So back to the whole CNN thing. I spent an hour with these people, and they had to edit it. I get that. And it kind of came out that I might vote for Donald Trump. Although, again, I never endorsed him on the video. Watch it. Now, let's just address that quickly, okay? Let's just cut that. If you want to lecture me, you're wasting your time, because I will bury you. I'm very well informed, and I don't do with talking points on the right or left. I'm very well informed. But if that makes you feel better, God bless you. Personally, I don't wake up with hatred for Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, Barack Obama, anybody on the other side. But I can't stand 4 more years of this shit show, okay? Inflation. Oh, it's down to 2%. Well, it's like x-rays. The 7.757 for months. We're up to 25% inflation. We're all paying the price for it. I don't want it. The woke military, the open borders, I'm done with it. If you're fine with it, good for you. Vote for the other side. I don't have a problem with it. I don't need a lecture. You're wasting your time, okay? And you're embarrassing yourself thinking you're going to teach me a lesson. Don't go there. I am the Tool and Die Guy. All right. Moving forward. Big interview during the night of my anniversary at ISM this past Thursday night. I had a fellow named Dan Williams show up at my house. Well, Dan Williams is an independent journalist, award-winning documentarian, and he's a freelancer. And he was doing some work for, believe it or not, let me make sure I get this correct, for CGTN. Well, what does that stand for? That would be the China Global Television Network. Why would I do that interview? Well, here's why I would do that interview, because I have a chance to talk about manufacturing, American manufacturing. And I know who I'm talking to. And it was a great interview. Once again, we ended up down here. These guys love all this stuff. This is why this is all out. And great guy. Really fun meeting these people from CNN. And now this guy's he's originally from England. He's lived in South Africa. Had an hour-long conversation about manufacturing. And, of course, we got a little politics at the end. That's probably what they're going to roll with. But I will talk to anybody. All right. The Chinese, the China Global Television Network, Facebook. CNN has about 40 million followers. This network has 123 million. I will take that opportunity, right? And then on Monday, for all my friends down under, and I will not embarrass myself by doing a fake Australian accent. Sometimes I can nail it, but we're not going to do it. A fellow named Jonathan Kersley from Channel 9, which is also known as the 9 Network. My research shows me that's the second biggest network in Australia, is coming here. Actually, they're going to film me at work a little bit, doing a little Tool and Die Guy stuff. and we're going to talk again about American manufacturing, my views on it, no doubt some politics. So it's been very busy, and it's been a lot of fun turning my house into a studio like once a week. But again, it's a privilege and an honor to speak about my family's legacy, to speak about the Toll and Die guys, to speak about where we're going next. I'm getting chill bumps now. I inspire myself. Um, where we're going next. And I talked about that. He says, what do you want to see happen? And I said, I would like to say a task force on American manufacturing, but that'll turn into 5,000 people working in a new department, and they'll spend all their time making sure they don't lose their job. Maybe a special counsel, because they seem to at least have some power. And what can we do? Well, we got to revive apprenticeships. We got to make kids understand this is viable, and we got to show them you can make some money. Show me the money. Don't tell me it's more valuable in a college education when you don't tell me how much I can make. When I did my apprenticeship, and these guys from Dan Williams the other night, I went through my whole apprenticeship with them. They loved it. I knew every 6 months what I was going to be making, and when I graduated, what I was going to be making. All right. So that's where we need to go. So sorry if I offended anybody, okay? But that's my opinion. You have yours. Please keep it to yourself, okay? Or start your own YouTube channel, and maybe CNN will show up at your house, or the China National TV Network will, or Channel 9. Well, probably not, but they showed up here. So again, proud to be associated with you. Thank you for following me. And we'll see you on the next video. I'll be posting stuff as it comes out with the interviews, but that's it from here, and we'll see you on the next video.